Hello everyone. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Wahaj. This is a part two of the Webflow. So let's explore the few more things about the Webflow in this part. And as per in my previous video, I guide you how to change the headings, how you can change the pictures in a pre-made templates, and how you can easily customize all of this stuff. Like as I explained in my previous video, how you can easily edit this text. You just need to double click on this text and you just retype that, and in that way you can easily customize all of the content in the pre-made template. So whatever the things you want to delete, you just click on that and you just delete the press delete button. So in that way you can delete that, and if you want to revert back, you just press control there. So in that way this icon is revert back to its position. So in that way you can easily revert all the things you delete anything or whatever the stuff. So here that is a pre-made template, as I explained you in my previous video. So you can easily customize that according to your desire, according to your client requirements. So you can easily change all of the stuffs. So let's today explore about the more things, what where is the pages, and how you can customize the more pages, and how that is working. Okay, so if you see here, there is an option that is the pages, and you can also go into the pages from this option as well. You click there, so that show you all of the pages. And for example, if you want to go from here, you just hover there, so that show you all of the pages in the website. If we want to edit the about page, you just need to double click on this about page. So about option, so you that show you all of the stuff that is in the about page. So you can easily customize this all stuff as well. That is the same as a home page. You can easily all of the stuff edit each and everything. So you can if you want, if you want to edit this section, or you just want to duplicate this one, like if you click the duplicate, that show you third one and the stuff. So you can easily add more things. You can customize the text, you can easily edit all of the images. So that is something like that, that is really easy to do all of this stuff, and customize all the template according to client requirements. So you can easily add all the things, and here, so you can easily customize all of the new things, and you can add more stuff as well. Like if you want to add any section here or anything, so you can simply click on this plus icon, that is add elements. Or you can also explore the layouts as well. So these are the libraries, the starter libraries. So you can easily drag and drop, and you can easily pre-made libraries. From library you can pre-made design section easily add in the website. If you have a premium package of the Webflow, you find a lot of more new layouts, and so you can easily add all of the stuffs. But if you want to edit anything, like if you want to add something here, uh, like for example, let's say, uh, let me do one thing. Okay, okay, let me guide you in that thing in a blank template, so you can easily understand that. In that way, maybe that is difficult for you to understand this thing. So let me guide you everything, how you can add more pages in the navigation as well, and how you can add all of the stuffs. So if you for example, if you want to add one more link here, like about us pages here, and that is not showing in the main navigation. So how you can do that? So for this, for example, if you want about page, you just simply double click on this nav link. You just control C and control V in the, oh sorry, control Z, and you just need double click on that navigation. Okay, navigation link. Okay, you just copy and duplicate this. Okay, let me guide you, because that is a bind everything here. So that's why when I try to add a link here, that is not adding the copy the links here as well. So let me do one thing. Let me show you this in a new interface. We start something new from the scratch, so you can easily understand how you can easily edit the navigation stuff, and how you can add a more pages in the navigation. Okay, I'm going back to my dashboard in the Webflow. So I'm going to create like a new one new website, one new blank website, so you can easily understand that how that is working and how you can easily customize all of the things, or how you can add a more things here as well. So let's continue this. Okay, so I'm going to start with a blank template so we can easily understand how that is working. For example, let's say I said test website, test website. Okay, so I'm creating a test website, so in that way you can easily explore all of the new things, how you can create a navigation, how you can add a container, how you can customize the navigation as well, how you can create a new pages. So uh, let me guide you. So here you see that show me the blank template, how you start from the blank template as well. So that is the most important part of the Webflow, how you can start build anything from scratch. If you have any pre-made layout is not providing by the client, so how you can or you not select any template, you are not able to select any template. So how what you can do, maybe some of the clients provide you a Figma design or XD design, how you can build from scratch. I will try my best to cover this all in this tutorial. So keep watching this, and let's see how that is working. So as I explained you, if you want like a navigation, first of all, if any website they have a navigation, so you if you want to create a navigation, you can start from scratch as well, or in layout as well. There is pre-made like navigations, or here you see that I click on that navigation, and that show me all of the like options, like nav bar with the logo on the left, and nav bar logo center, and nav bar no shadow. So let's start with this left option. Okay, for example, I just click on that. I just click on that show me here in the top, that is the navigation. Here you see that nav links, and these are not bind as per in the previous template. As you see that these are the links are they make the group, that's why we are not able to duplicate that. But here you see that these are the separately, everything is here. So we can easily customize that, easily duplicate that, and easily attach that anything. If you want that navigation is show in all of the pages, like if you want you create a navigation and that show in all of your website pages, how you can do that? So simply you just need to create a component. In the Webflow we need to create a component of anything. If we want we change in a one place, and that change all over the website, so you just need to create a component. You can create a component of anything, like if you want to create a component of this button, you can create a component of logo. If you make a one section and you want to duplicate this section, or you want to show that section in all over the website, so you just create a component. So let's see, I'm going to create a component. I click on this create component option here. So I give the name of this component is like say h header, header. Mm, okay, so because that is the header in the website, so we make the component name, we type the component name here the header. So let's start this. Okay, I created that. So right now if you see, that is the like a header, and you can easily edit all of the stuff and everything. Okay, let me guide you why I create this component. For example, I am going to create a one new page. If you want to create a new page, you just need to click on here pages, or you can go back to the instance as well, and here you see that there's a pages option as well here. So that is a home page. So you can easily add a new pages from here as well, or you can click on here this page option, and you can simply create a new page. For example, I'm going to create a new page, that name is about us. Okay, so about us. Okay, let's create this page. Okay, so now I'm going to guide you, like here you see that is not showing any navigation or anything in the about us page. So let me do one thing, let me guide you how you can add the same navigation. So you just need to click on this component. Here you see that that header component is created, so you just click on that, and simply that is added add the new header here in the about page as well. Okay, once the new header is added, how you can edit this link? That is really easy, or you can edit all of the links very easily. Here you see that as I told you or explained you, that header is created as a component. So you just need to click on this edit component item first. Okay, so it's take you to the main part of that component, like as a specific part of the component, like there is a header that open that specific. So if you want to like add a about us page or link here, so you simply you can do two things here. You can copy, it's just like we control C and control V. So in that way you see that create a new like copy and paste the nav link. So in that way you don't need to create a nav link again, and you don't need to create the list item or anything again. That is already pre-built, so you can easily copy and paste the same nav link, and you can simply now click on the this icon, gear icon, and you now you change this text like about us. We are going to change this to about us. Okay, so simply in that way, so you can change that about us. Okay, about us, that change the text is changed here, so you can easily apply the link as well. You need to go into type and then select the page, and then you need to choose the page. The about us page is already created, so we just select that. So in that way you can easily that about us link is adding in here. And the best feature is you know you if you go back to the like pages of your website, so you just need to go into the home page, and you can see the about link here as well. So because the header is the component, so that's showing in all of the website, so header working in that way. Okay, let me show you how you can add different sections here in the about page. So you need to click on this plus icon again, and you need to go into the elements, and here you see that there is a section. If you want to create a different section, like if one section is a different color, the other section have a different color, so you just click on this section first of all. And now sometime we need the things out of the container means that is connected to the side by side anything, so you put all of the content in a section. But if you want anything like in a container is that the website is showing in a proper way, like a formatting, like what is the width of the website. So you just click on this container, so that is showing in that section. And you can easily edit that container as well if you want to give a space. Okay, so you can easily apply different spaces here as well. If you like go into the design option here, and you can see that you can apply the specific height to this container as well. And you can easily apply the different padding and spacing as well. uh, you can easily apply the space here with the paddings and the margins easily. So you can do that. Here you see that there's a spacing and margin. For example, I want like a 60 px from the above, and I need 60 px from the bottom of the container. So in that way I can apply the padding to the container. So what is the benefit of the padding? So if you want to add anything, like if you are going to add a heading, so you just simply, here you see that the space is showing above and here, so that is due to the padding. So you can change the heading anything if you want. Okay, so you can easily change that. And if you want like uh, if you want to like add any grid in that, so you just need to click on this plus icon again, and you can easily add a grid columns here as well in container. For example, I want like a two columns. In one we have a headings, and the other we have a picture or anything, so you can simply add in that way. If you drag and drop anything you already created, so you just drag it here. So as you see that I just drag the heading here in the first column, and there is a second column. You can easily add a picture. You just need to click on this plus icon, and simply you need to find that picture option in the media. So you just drag and drop here as well, like this. You can drag and drop, so you can choose a picture from your system as well, and you can upload from here from the your document folder or anything. In that way you can add the picture here as well. uh, So in that way you can easily create new sections or new things in the Webflow. I keep working on that and guide you in the next micro recording, or in the next video I will guide you how to add a more stuff, how to do play with this, how you can add a more section, how you can create a different section, more attractive sections with this Webflow. That is a really nice and easy tool. You can easily use that and build very nice websites. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. That boosts us if you like and share this video with your friends, so I keep continue this tutorial and making a new videos on this Webflow. Thank you very much. Bye, take care.